Welcome, beautiful people, to my YouTube channel. Now, this is the channel where I show you anything related to how you can create a WordPress website. Now, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a VTU website from this scratch. Now, I didn't want this video to be so lengthy. I want it to be straight to the point so that you can get your value and implement immediately. Now, what do we need to do to create a VTU website? Well, you're going to need a couple of things, and one of them is you need a domain name and hosting. Then you need to set up your WordPress dashboard. Then third, you need to install some plugins and some templates, especially the VTU plugin. And then the fifth one, you need a Paystack account. Why? Because these users will want to fund their wallet, so you need a payment gateway to be able to ensure that their funding is automated. Then number 6, you need to advertise your new website. So now let's dive right in. So guys, what do you need to do? Well, put on your internet connection. Very important. Open your Chrome browser or any other browser of your choice, and we need to get a domain name and a hosting. Now, a domain name is simply the address of your website, and hosting simply means you getting an online space where your address will be. That is as simple as it gets. But for more details and more explanation, explicit explanation, you can go to the description below to watch my video on how I teach you how to purchase a domain name and hosting, and give you more explanation on what a domain name involves, what factors you need to know before picking a domain name, and which website will offer you the best hosting. So that's that about that. We said this video will be short. So the first website we are going to go now is namecheap.com. So type namecheap.com on your browser, namecheap.com, and then you press enter. Very good. Now you are in namecheap.com. What do you do? Well, you simply sign up on namecheap.com. That's as simple as it gets. So at this point, enter your username, your password, your first name, your last name, your email address. Then this is optional. Then you create account and continue. So was this one showing? Okay, let's cancel this. So you continue, then they send you a message on your email, you activate your account. Now I already have an account, so I'll just sign in, and that's that. Okay, so I sign in into my account. All right, now you are in your account right now. So how do you purchase a domain? Well, just simply come to this domain and click on domain name search. Okay, now for a VTU website, so many people prefer giving names such as suresub.com, anything that has to do with telecommunication or subscriptions. For instance, my own website now, patomobile.com. We have so many other websites, mobile top up, and so many others, for a VTU website. Now, let's say you decide to go for bettertopup.com. Let's just better top up. Okay, so you search anyone you want. So please feel free, any name you want your website to be, just search it there, and then it gives you some options. Now it's telling me that bettertopup.com is $9.58 per year. Then bettertopup.org. So it depends on what you want. .net, .ai, .gg, .syz seems to be the cheapest. But whatever you do, like I said, to know what factors influence your decision on the choice of a domain name, watch that video where I explain it explicitly in the description below. Now click on any one of them now, and then you add to cart. So we add this to cart. Okay, we add it to cart. It's asking for SSL site security. Are you adding it to the cart? And then you say no, I'm not adding that yet, although it's very, very important for you to have your site security. So it's better if you add it to that, and then you simply check out. So now check that out. So we are paying for 1 year, and then there's this icon fee, that's 18 cents. And if you have a promo code, you can do that. So what to do now, you confirm your order. Okay, confirm your order, and now at this point you enter your payment method, your renewal setting, your address, and then you click on pay now. So once you do that, you have successfully bought your domain name. So now that is that on that. So now let's go back to the dashboard. But you don't want everything quick, right? So now let's go to hosting. So normally, since it's a WordPress website, we'll make use of the WordPress hosting. Now we are here, the WordPress hosting, and one thing about Namecheap, they offer a 1 month free trial for any plan that you want to choose. Now that video in description is where I explain in details what all of this mean, but for the sake of this video, you know, the major point is how we can create a VTU website, and I don't want this video to be that long. So now look at it. Easy WP starter is starting $17 per year, so per month rather, not per year. So that means $17.11 times 12. So that would be the number of dollars you pay to access that hosting. But let's say you do not really have much, you can afford this hosting for now, you want to be paying monthly. Well, this WP starter will give you 1 month free, and then after that 1 month you would pay $6.88 per month. So I think when the business starts booming, you should be able to afford that every month, and it offers you 10 gig storage, 50k visitors, blah blah blah, and that's that. So now let's try this for free, as simple as it gets. So we are seeing the first point, domain name and hosting. Okay, now the connection, okay, it's loading. Yes, so confirm purchase. So it's $0. They won't charge you for the first month, so it's $0, and then you confirm your payment. Okay, confirm it. There's no harm in doing that. All right, so now it's taking us to the Easy WP dashboard. Okay, all right, so now it's asking you for your website name. Well, let's just put let me put my own pattern mobile there, as you know, my own website, pattern mobile, and then you continue. So now it's not asking you to choose a domain. Now you remember that we bought a domain on Namecheap. So that domain, just click on your domain on Namecheap, and you are going to see the option of the domains that you have just bought. So this is a domain I bought about a year ago, so I can just click this domain and use it. So but me, I won't use Tulomodel.com. I want to continue with the pattern mobile, so I'll just go straight, and you notice that it's not going to give me that patternmobile.com directly, but it's going to add this as part of the address, which I do not like, but for the sake of this video, that's why I'm just going free. But then if I choose your domain on Namecheap and I select this, this is going to be the address, lomo.bond. Okay, so for the sake of you guys, let's click on your domain on Namecheap. That's more appropriate, isn't it? Okay, so we continue. So it's asking us to pick a theme. Yeah, do not waste your time on this, just continue. Grizzly website, no, you don't need that yet. Okay, you continue. So you're saying your website will be live at Sparta Mobile. So the name of the website is Sparta Mobile, but then the link is to Lomo.bond. Very funny. And your subscription will be this. Okay, so you continue. Okay, so there you go. Okay, still loading and loading. Now it's good. Yeah, it's saying it's detected one suspended website. Okay, now it's saying your website Pato Mobile is now live. Okay, now this is the Pato Mobile website. So you go to manage. Now for me, I would not be renewing this subscription after the first free month. So I'll come to the setting, I'll come to manage under subscription. The subscription, okay, it takes me to this dashboard, and then I come and then I put it off. So once I put it off, it will not automatically remove that money from my account after the free month. That's for me. For you, you have to leave it so that your website can continue to be live. But this is a tutorial video, so I won't be doing that. Now we come back to our EasyWP here, and then we click on WP admin. So this takes us to our WordPress dashboard. Okay, hope you're enjoying the video. If you're enjoying this video, you know what to do. Just simply like the video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, click on the bell icon so that anytime I drop a new interesting video such as this, you will be the first person to see it, and you can watch, consume the content, and implement as soon as possible and start making your money before others start to do. Okay, now this is your WordPress dashboard. To clear out this dashboard and make it functional, well, I have a video on that in the description below on how you can effectively make your dashboard ready for use. Just simply need to turn off all of this, turn this off, turn this off, turn this off, turn this off, and then you go to your posts. Okay, a post right here, and then you click on this, and then you trash it. Okay, trash all the posts that you have there, and then you come to your pages. Come to your pages, and click on all these pages, and then you come to bulk actions. You move to trash, and then you apply. Okay, that is that. So that's moved it to trash. Now you can come to this trash, and then you click on everything again, bulk actions, delete permanently, and then you apply. We do not need that. So for more information on how you can effectively clear out your dashboard, the link is in the description below. Now we know we don't want this video to be so long. Okay, now that that is done, the first thing we'll do is to install a theme on this website. So we all know wallpapers. We know wallpapers on phones, on laptop. That's the same thing with themes too on your website. So for more information on that, the link is in the description below. So let's move to appearance now, and then we click on themes. Okay, now you search, you go to add new theme. Now let's use the Astra theme. So why are we using Astra? Why are we using Phylos? Why are we not using the 2021, 2022, 2023 themes that are there? The link is in the description below for an explanation on that. Okay, now we've seen Astra, then we install. So after installing, do not forget to activate the theme. Okay, it has installed, then the same button, click it again to activate it. Okay, that's very good. Now we've installed Astra. Now part of clearing your dashboard involves removing all these themes that you are not using. Okay, so now that we have the Astra theme installed, the next thing is to come to plugins. Okay, come to plugins. So what are plugins? Well, plugins can just be compared to your house. You know, We have your TV. You want your sitting room to have a TV. You want it to have a table, to have a chair. You want it to have a DVD or any other thing you want it to have. What do? You buy it, you put it, just to improve the functionality. That's how simple a plugin is. And then I've explained this in the video in the description below so that you can have a background information on how all of this works. Okay, but that's not the purpose of this video. So we come to Elementor now. Okay, Elementor. Okay, just click that and then press enter. Okay, Elementor page builder. Okay, so we install it. This is Elementor. Install it, and then do not forget to activate. Okay, all right, so where are we now? We've installed the Elementor plugin. Okay, so Elementor plugin also has a pro version. Now I have the pro version of Elementor. It simply has more features that helps to make your website very catchy and attractive and more mobile friendly. But for the sake of this video, if you need the Elementor Pro, you can always chat me on WhatsApp. My number is in the description below. Okay, let's leave that. We've installed the Elementor page builder, which helps us to drag and drop. Now we want to use some templates to create this website. So what do? You come to plugins again, then you add new plugins, and then you search for Envato elements. Yeah, Envato elements. Okay, the plugins found. Okay, Envato elements. So just install it. It just has templates, photos that you can use to improve the functionality of the site too. So you activate it. Don't forget to activate when you are done. Okay, now that we have installed some important plugins and templates, let's go right in. So let's go to pages, and then you add a new page. Okay, now we're almost there. We need to get a page, and now we are working on it. So we add a new page. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Now let's just call this the home page. Okay, let's just call this the home page, and then you publish. Okay, so you publish it. You can decide to publish it privately if you don't want anybody to view it. You can publish it privately, and if you want, you can also publish it and put a password so that those with password will be able to view the content. That is possible. So now if you make it public, that means everybody can see what you are doing right now. So you publish it. Okay, so now we need to edit this page. Now let's view the page. So let's view the page. Let's see how it is. Okay, so this is what we have on the page. Okay, so there's nothing worth looking at here. So let's go back, and then we edit with Elementor. So you edit with Elementor. So like I said earlier, Elementor is a drag and drop page builder. Okay, so Elementor is now including AI features. That's cool. Yeah, so what next now? Okay, just a moment. Let me refresh this page. It seems to have hanged. So here we go. Okay, you can close this, and then so at this point, this is what Elementor can do for you. Let me just give you a sample. Now let's say you want to add a heading to your website. You can just simply drag and drop it there. Then your heading is there, and then you say, okay, welcome to sabidata.com. Sabi data, and now you want to put a image. What you just do is come here. That's what Elementor does for you basically. So just put an image, you drag it, you can put it on top, put it anywhere. So put the image here. Then we look for, then we choose an image either from our media library, or we just select files from our local PC. So that's what the Elementor does. You are able to drag and drop this element. So that's just, I'm just giving you an example, but that's not what we are doing here. So for more information on that, I have a course on WordPress and how to build a WordPress website. The link is also in the description below if you are interested in that. Okay, now let's do what we came here for. So we click on a Elementor element. We've installed that. So we look for a kit. So premium kits means you have to pay to have those kits. So free kits means it is free and you can import it on your website. Now let us come to categories. Let's see, a VTU website is under which category? Okay, let's put it under corporate and business. Let's see some free kits that we have. Okay, I think I'm seeing something I like here. Okay, I think I like this. Internet company. Okay, I think I like this. So what you just do is you install the kit. I like that template. So you can also view the kit. Okay, I view the kit. Very good. So it's telling you that there are 4 requirements that need installing for this template to work correctly. So just click on install the requirements. Okay, so it's asking you for Elementor Pro, Elementor default color scheme. Then okay, let's remove this Elementor Pro. I have it, so I will just pick it from my personal PC there. Okay, so you close that. So it's remaining only 1 requirement. Okay, so which one do you want? Do you want something like this or something like that? Okay, let's pick this. We have 2 home options here, so let me just pick this one. So let me import it. Okay, it's importing, but you still need that Elementor Pro like I mentioned earlier. So if you want access to all these pro plugins, you can always chat me up on WhatsApp. My number is in the description below. Okay, now it's importing. So guys, relax and enjoy this video.